Hello children, good morning to all of you. आमे गत केतटा क्लास रे एट दी हाई स्कूल चैप्टर टा कंप्लीट करि सारी चंती नुहे कि तेणु तुम मैंने समस्ते घरे पढ़ी थिबो आउ तुमको कही आमे लास्ट क्लास टा समराइज करबा बोली। अच्छा तुम्हें जदि पढ़ीच मते हेल्प करिवो समराइज करिबारे। आउ तुमको मु कहिची एट दी हाई स्कूल is an autobiography of Mahatma Gandhi. So, the autobiography of Mahatma Gandhi was my experiment with truth. So, from that book, this is only a part at the high school, and in this part, the teaching, learning, the experience, liking, disliking of Mahatma Gandhi at the high school stage has been depicted. So, autobiography I have also told, a life history of a person written by himself is called autobiography, and biography is the life history of a person written by somebody else. So, you know the difference between biography and autobiography. Now, this chapter describes the experience of Mahatma Gandhi at his high school career. So, we have already read about it. Now, we can summarize the whole chapter, summarize the whole topic in this way. There are 7 paragraphs and I have summarized it in a very simple manner for easy memorization, for easy understanding. First paragraph, you see, look at the blackboard. In the first paragraph, Gandhiji as a student has been described. What was his strength and weaknesses? In which subject he was good and in which subject he was weak? What was his likings and what was his disliking? All these things are described in the first paragraph. So, Gandhiji was a good student at the high school. So, he was performing well in on the exam. He got the love and affection of his teachers, and he also won prizes in 4th and 5th standard. At that time, that was 4 anna and 10 anna. And after passing the 2nd standard also, he got prizes, and he also got certificates, and the good moral certificates were being sent to his home for the reference of their parents. Then in 2nd paragraph, he was a man of good character, and also about the headmaster is also described. His headmaster Dorabji Idulji Jimmy was a strict disciplinarian. He was a hard taskmaster, and he made gymnastic and cricket compulsory for higher class students. In 3rd paragraph, the likes and dislikes of Gandhiji is depicted. He disliked the sports and gymnastics, and he also gave the reason because his father was remaining always ill and Gandhiji wanted to serve his father. So, he could not attend the gymnastic class which was after the school hours. So, once he failed to join the gymnastic class one Saturday at 4 o'clock because the weather was cloudy and he had no watch. So, he reached on the field, in the field late. All the boys have left the field. So, next day the headmaster marked him absent and fined him. And in the 4th paragraph, when he told the truth to the headmaster did not believe him. He convicted him of lying. But when his father wrote a letter to headmaster requesting him and telling him the truth, the headmaster exempted Gandhiji of fine, and he was also exempted of gymnastic, and he got the scope of remaining at home to serve his father. And Gandhiji realized that that was his fault. He had no watch, the weather was cloudy. That does not mean anything. That was his fault. So, he realized a man of truth must be a man of care. So, from that incident, he became very careful about his teaching, learning, character, so that nobody can tell anything about him. And In the 5th paragraph, his idea about handwriting is described. Gandhiji's handwriting was not so good, but when he went to South Africa, he saw the handwriting of lawyers and young persons, young people. He was very much ashamed. So he requested, he advised the young mass to take care of the handwriting, because good handwriting is a part of perfect education. Then in the 6th paragraph, the Sanskrit teacher and Persian teacher, their incidents, their competition, their rivalry, that is described. So Persian teacher was very good, very lenient, very liberal, whereas the Sanskrit teacher was very strict. So the students were preferring to sit in the Persian class. Gandhiji also was tempted by the easiness of the Persian class, and he sat in the Persian class. And the Sanskrit teacher, who was Krishna Shankar Pandya, called him and told that Sanskrit was his language, so that he could read the holy books of his religion. And Gandhiji could not deny his request, and again he went to the Sanskrit class, and in future he also got the benefit of Sanskrit. So Gandhiji felt his gratitude, thankful to his Sanskrit teacher Krishna Shankar Pandya, because the learning of Sanskrit helped him much in his future life. So this is all about the summary. And in our exercises, there are a lot of activities you can do at home. From that, I have taken a small bit that the opposite words, using prefix, you can make these words opposite, and this is are only some examples. There are so many examples in your book. You will go through the chapter and you will find as many words as possible. So happy, its prefix will be unhappy. Active, inactive. So here prefix is on, here prefix is in. Motivate, demotivate, here prefix is de. So demotivate is the opposite word of motivate. Regular, irregular, ir is the prefix. Believe, disbelieve. Limited, unlimited. Behave, misbehave. So using some prefixes, we can make the words opposite in meaning or antonyms. Similarly, there are a number of comprehensive questions, hundreds of questions we can find from this chapter, and you will practice it at home. And who was the headmaster of Gandhi when he was at high school? Dorabji Dulji Jindal. Then what kind of person was the Persian teacher? The Persian teacher was very lenient, very liberal, considerate. Whom did Gandhi give his thanks? Gandhiji gave his thanks of gratitude to his Sanskrit teacher Krishna Shankar Pandya. So this is all about our topic at the high school, and the 5-mark questions will also come from this chapter, and I have also given you tips to attend the questions of 5 marks, so you will practice. So this is all for today, and hope you understood well and you will practice at home more. Thank you all.